subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The Lenovo's upcoming Z5 is undoubtedly an intriguing smartphone. Judging by the past teasers, it should come with a record-breaking screen-to-body ratio, but apparently it will also have other distinguishing traits. A dual rear camera system capable of capturing portrait mode shots. For example, this has been revealed through a post on Chinese social media site Weibo by a vice president of Lenovo Group. Here are the 3 camera samples from the Z5 were shared. The watermark in the bottom left clearly indicates that the Z5 will have a dual main camera with AI no lens. The Lenovo Z5 will be a mid to high-end model. That said, don't expect it to support a Snapdragon 845 chipset. Instead, it may go with a member of Qualcomm's 6 series chipset. Past rumors have said that the Lenovo Z5 would come with a whopping 4 TB of internal storage. The Lenovo Z5 should be made official by the next month. So what are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.